David Tinsley is Chief UK Economist at BNP Paribas and used to work at the Bank of England. A very good morning to you.
Morning.
Is this actually worse than it looks?
Well, I suppose it is a little bit worse than it looks. I don't want to be churlish about it. I mean, a 0.1 percentage point upward revision is no bad thing, but there were backward revisions further back in the series that showed downward revisions to the level of GDP, which slightly offset that. I mean, nonetheless, the ONS have found a little bit more business investment in Q3, which is good news. But I mean, the outlook gets tougher from here, really, and it'd be surprising to get a lot of growth over the fourth quarter of 2011 and the first quarter of 2012.
A lot of growth, or no growth at all next year. Do you really predict a double dip?
Yeah, we've got a technical recession, a double dip, if you like, in our central case, a contraction in GDP in Q4 and in Q1. And the second quarter of next year is interesting because there's an extra public holiday in there as well, which will push down, for arithmetic, technical reasons, really, GDP down as well. So you may end up with 3 quarters of contraction in the UK. The second half of next year should look somewhat better, though.
We've had the current account deficit widening to a record in the third quarter. What do you make of that?
Well, that's not really related to trade in goods and services. That was fairly steady over Q3 on Q2. It's really related to the income flows that go on. That always make the current account, in value terms, volatile, of course. So I wouldn't read too much into that. The underlying imbalances in the UK trade position have improved somewhat. The real trade balance is about half the size it was a couple of years ago. What
next for the Bank of England, then, giving all these figures?
Well, we think they'll do more QE. They'll wait until February. I think that's what the minutes were telling us yesterday. Then they'll do another 75 billion, and then they'll see how things look. But we wouldn't be surprised at all, in fact, that's our central case, to see another 50 billion in May. So they'll be doing QE right up until the London Olympics, I think.
David Tinsley, Chief UK Economist at BNP Paribas. Many thanks.
Thank you.